So number of cell, what is the formula? 2 raised to n. Okay. For 2 variable, how many cells? 4. For 3 variable, 8. For 4 variable, 16. Okay. Now in our syllabus, we are taking 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable. Okay. Now also we have discussed the 2 standard format, SOP as well as POS. What do you mean by SOP? Standard of product. Okay. So first you have to take product, then you have to add all terms. Okay. Under SOP, normal variable is assigned as which value? 1. Its complement 0. Whereas second form is POS. What do you mean by POS? Product of sum. First you have to take sum, then you have to take product. Now normal value is assigned as 0. Its complement 1. Okay. Now under SOP, each individual term called as mean term or max term? Mean term. Whereas under POS, max term. Okay. Then symbol for SOP, it is denoted by small m or summation sigma. Okay. POS, capital M or pi. So we are going to solve numerical, means we are going to solve the Boolean expression by using K-map. Okay. So are you getting concept behind the K-map? Can we start? So we will first take simple example, then we will solve complicated. Also, I will take some example based on SOP, then we will go for POS. Okay. For POS, you have to write some, first you have to write some, then take the product. Okay. Next one. Yes, online student, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So take the one example. Write down. Find out output of the Boolean expression by using K-map. Find out Boolean expression or output by using K-map. So write down Z is equal to summation variables A, B, C. The values are 1, 3, 6, 7. Okay. First target, identify whether it is POS or SOP. SOP, how to identify? Sigma is given. Yes, online student, can you see screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here sigma is given, means what? It is a SOP. How many variables? 3 variable. Okay. And these nothing but the cell value. We know the cell values for each boxes. Yes or no? Now how many variables? 3 variable. How many cells we have to draw? 8. Okay. So draw the K-map structure, empty structure. Simultaneously, you have to note down in your notebook step by step. Draw empty structure. Okay. Here I can put one variable. Here I can put two variable B and C. Okay. Now I know how to write heading of these rows as well as columns, right? So what should I write for first? 0 0, then 0 1, then 1 1, then 1 0. Okay. Here 0, here 1. Now I know that for SOP 0 indicate A bar, 1 indicate normal variable A. Okay. Similarly here, yes, B bar, C bar, then B bar, C, then BC, then BC bar. Online student, can you see this table?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I know the cell value. Can I directly write the cell value at this corner? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are you getting how to write? The third column due to which rule? Cell competency. Okay, got it? Now, in my expression, in my problem, the values are given. Okay, and this is which expression? SOP. So what I have to put, whether 1 or 0 for normal value, normal variable 1. Okay, so 1 3 6 7, these are the cell value. So the cell value having one value, put 1 here because it is a SOP. Then cell number 3, 1, then cell number 6, 1, then cell number 7, 1. So we have filled all values which is mentioned in our problem. Okay. Now under K-map, you have to make a group of ones for SOP and you have to make a group of zeros for POS. Okay. Now how to make group? So here I am mentioning rule for making group. You can make group of 2, you can make group of 4, you can make group of 8, you can make group at corners also, you can make group of opposite values also. Okay, opposite means what? Suppose this is the box. Okay, so these are opposite cells. Okay, corner means what? These are the corners. So you can make groups, okay, like this. So to dual, we can prepare a group of dual. 4 chord, it is called as group of chord. 8, it is called as octet. Okay, so you can make group of 2 4 8. You can make group of values which consist at corners. You can make group of values which are present at opposite. Okay, now in our case, so suppose I am making this group. Okay, all students please listen carefully. Okay, suppose this is my first group. Now for horizontal row wise, what is the value of this A bar? Okay, now here it consists of 2 column, right? Here B variable is changing, but C is constant. So consider only constant value. Okay, so what will be the expression for this cell? A bar, and which is constant? C. So what is the expression of this pair? A bar C. Got it? Yes or no? Everyone? Online student?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now second group. I can make this second group, right? Row wise, what is the value? A, only A. Column wise, which value is constant? B. So what is the expression? A, B. Okay. Now it is a which form? SOP. So what will be the output expression or final expression? I can write here output expression equal to, अभी मुझे क्या लेना है, sum of product. मेरे पास product है, उसका sum लेना है, right? So first pair is A bar C plus second is AB. This is our output. Got it? Any doubt? Note down properly. Yes, online student, any doubt?
Ma'am, repeat it once.
You have to listen carefully. Okay, which point you have to want repeat? Which point you want repeat?
And that equation, how it came, A bar.
Okay, see the this column. Okay, so here this is the group of 1 1. Okay, see the row wise. So A is variable, column wise which variable is constant? B remains constant, right? So write
Yes.
in terms of product A into B. जो vary हो रहा है उसको ignore करना है. You have to remove. Okay, so it become A into B. और ये SOP है, तो हमारे पास पहले product form करना है, then you have to sum. So final expression should be in terms of SOP. Got it?
Ma'am.
Again, this is simplest example. Yes, anyone having any doubt? Write properly. Which one? ही व्हॅल्यू याची दिलेली ह्या बॉक्सेसची, या बॉक्सची व्हॅल्यू दिली 0 1 3 2. आता 3 कुठे आपला इथे, तिथे 1 पुट करायचा. A bar see this one na, row wise it is only one variable, take A bar as it is. Now column wise which value remains constant? 0 1 1 1. So C remains constant. जो व्हॅरी होतोय त्याला इग्नोर करा, जो कॉन्स्टंट राहतो दोन्हीकडे त्याला कन्सिडर करा. ओके, आर यू गेटिंग? घेऊ ना आपण एक्झाम्पल. दिस इज ओनली वन एक्झाम्पल ना. गॉट इट? कॅन आय प्रोसीड? येस और नो? तसं होणारच नाही ना, त्या केस मध्ये होणारच नाही. बघू आपण एक्झाम्पल घेऊ. तसं होतच नाही, तू जे बोलला ते. चलो, आय वॉन्ट टू सिलेक्ट न्यू पेज.